Assalamu alaikum friend, this is Aamir and you're watching Aamir Baloch TV. So friend, in this video I am going to tell you how you can hide your Facebook friend list. That nobody knows that you are who are your friend. So friend, without wasting your time, let's go towards our video. For hiding or privating your friend list, so first of all you have to enter in Facebook. So friend, after entering in Facebook, you will see over here three lines are there. So now you have to enter in these three lines. So friend, we will enter in these three lines. After entering in these three lines, over here you are seeing my profile is there, Aamir Baloch is written. So now over here you have to enter in this your profile. Over here I am entering in my profile, so you have to enter in your profile. So friend, after entering in your profile, over here such like page will come in front of you. So you have to select over here this. You are seeing over here. Now you have to select this. So friend, after selecting this, and over here now you have to find out view privacy shortcuts. Now you have to click this view privacy shortcuts. Now you have to go in this. We have to enter in this privacy shortcuts. So friend, then such like page will come in front of you. So friend, over here you have to select see more privacy settings. Over here you are seeing this, and last downside here it is written see more privacy settings. So now you have to click this see more privacy settings. After clicking this, then such like page will come in front of you. So friend, over here you have to scroll down, and over here you are seeing who can see your friend list. So over here it is my one is public, so your one is as well as it can be public. So public mean everyone can see your friends who are your friends, so everyone can see it. Now how you can do it, hide them. So now you have to click this. First of all you have to enter in this. So friend, then such like page will come in front of you. So friend, over here you are seeing there are three things. Just there is it is showing three things. The first thing was public, so it means everyone can see your friends who are your friends, so everyone can see. So the second one is friend, just friends. So if you will click second one, then whosoever is your friend, just they can know, they can see your friends who are your friends. So if you will click the third one, it is written friends accept. So if you will over here we will select third one, then you have to select those friends that you want that they should not see your profile. So friend, over here you have to click this one. Over here you are seeing see more. So for seeing more you have to click see more. So over here fourth one, it is showing that specific friends. So over here if you will select one, if you want that just these friends should see my friend list, so you have to click this fourth one. If you want that nobody should see your friend list, if he is your friend or not, so you have to click only me. So it means just you can see your friend list. So friend, if I want that my nobody should see my friend list, so I will click over here only me. So friend, after clicking only me, so now nobody can see my friend list. So friend, likewise you can hide or private your friend list.